Hello, everyone. This is a set of cable fault locator. Firstly, let's take a look at the main components of the entire equipment. This one is the receiver host. This is an external earphone receiver. This is a sensor. This is a retractable handle connecting rod, connected to sensors for use. And this is the charger for the host. This is the connection line between the probe and the receiver. Now let's explain the assembly wiring. Open the connection socket on the sensor. Connection line access. Connect the other end of the cable to the receiver. Connect to the sensor symbol socket on the left side of the receiver. After the connection is completed, pull apart the extension rod of the handle and fix it securely. Connect to the sensor probe. After insertion, rotate clockwise and tighten. The jack on the right side of the host is a headphone jack. We connect headphones. Finally, the sensor probe. The bottom of the sensor can also be connected to a pin. When conducting testing in muddy or soft soil, we need to connect this pin. After connecting, insert it downwards into the soil. You can receive the test signal more clearly. If it is on a hard and solid surface, such as a road or concrete ground, there is no need to use pins anymore. You can remove the pins. Test line connection completed. Next, we will begin to operate and use it. Press the power button to turn on the device. Enter the detection main interface. Then press the power button briefly. Pop up parameter setting options. The first BNS is noise reduction mode adjustment. Now, it's BNS-R. You can switch by pressing the OK key in the middle. Choose BNS or turn off noise reduction mode. This is a function that shields some of the interference noise alongside. BNS-1 is strong noise reduction. BNS-R is adaptive. BNS turns off noise reduction mode. Then BNS-1 is more suitable for fixed-point roads and ground. BNS-2 is more suitable for fixed-point applications on soft soil surfaces. The second option is a filter. The main function of a filter is to filter out impurities in the transmitted waveform. There are three types: low pass, high pass, and band pass. The third option is to touch mute sound. The meaning of touching mute sound. After turning on the touch mute sound, when a person touches this connector with their hand, this will trigger the mute touch function. Then the sound coming from the testing side cannot be heard through the headphones. It will completely block out external sounds. If you choose to turn off the touch mute sound, so the touch connector will not have any sound shielding effect. The fourth option is magnetic field gain. We usually choose automatic. If necessary, manual operation can also be chosen. This function is mainly used to adjust the magnetic field gain amplification. Next is the working method. 3 milliseconds is the intelligent mode. It is a mode that directly displays the time. For example, what is the time it takes for sound to propagate to the sensor probe? It will be displayed directly. Another one is waveform. MAR can display the waveform distance of wave reflection from the focal point to the probe. We can analyze and compare the distance of this waveform. The last one is language switching. Can switch between Chinese and English. After completing the parameter settings, press the power button to exit. Then these buttons here can also be used for quick parameter settings. The first button on the left is for switching between working modes. Can switch between time mode and waveform mode. The button on the right is for switching between noise reduction modes. The noise reduction mode displayed in the upper left corner of the screen is BNS-1. Let's press the shortcut switch button once. Now the noise reduction mode in the upper left corner displays BNS-2. Then the time is displayed. What is displayed is the time required for the sound from the current focal point to propagate to our probe. The small 0.0 milliseconds below are historical records. Then the circle on the right side of the screen displays the testing cable path and direction. For example, if this line is exactly at the position of the middle iron, it means that the probe is exactly on the path of the cable. When on the side, there is a deviation from the cable. The two display bars below, one is a display bar for magnetic field strength. One is a display bar for sound intensity. Both of these are functions that assist us in finding cable faults faster. Finally, the wearing and use of the instrument. During on-site testing, wear both the receiver and earphones properly. Then hold the handle and move the sensor probe. Conduct fixed-point testing of cables.